Hi guys, it's Alston. In this video, I'm going to do a quick example of how you can find easy to rank long tail keywords with SEMrush. So I'm going to take a random example and show you the live process of how easy you can use SEMrush to find this easy to rank long tail keywords. So I'm coming into a random word generator because I want to do something random. I'm not planned or anything prepared for this. So I'm just going to click on random words couple of times and find something interesting into it. For me, baby beer, something like that. So I run a beer blog. Let's say, for example, I want to find low competition keywords under this section. All you need to do is come under the keyword magic tool, enter that particular keyword, and select the target country and click on search. Basically, once you do that, it will give you all the keyword related to that. Here what I would advise you to do is click on all keyword and select a very easy section under SEMrush. Everything is pre-planned for us, and click here and maybe include a number of word section also for here. And see, with the very easy filter, it is automatically filtering out the keyword and giving me around 23,000 plus keyword. I'm going to do one more filter which is really good. It's called word count. Here I'm going to put something like 5 or more words. So I want to have very easy competition keyword with 5 or more words. So just based on that, I got around 5,000 plus keyword idea with the average keyword difficulty is around 7%. Here you can see there are several keyword which I can create a blog post. Either I can go with volume based, which shows it, for the example, what beer is not owned by this particular brand. And I can see several others also, how to make beer in Little Alchemy 2, something like this keyword. So when I open up, this shows only 11 competition for this particular keyword. So I'm going to open this keyword. I'm not showing. Let me refresh that, and you can see I can open up the SERP snippet SERP ranking page to see the data on here as well. And you can see this is the ranking page look like. Videos, little site, YouTube videos. You can create a YouTube video also to try to rank for it. Let me look into that keyword in depth. I can obviously click on update metrics, where it will use SEMrush data to update the data again for me to make sure that actually it is a very low competition keyword to check on it. There is 1,300 searches for it. It is 11% competition only. And if you scroll down, you can see all the different data. For example, only 7 backlink this particular page has, only from 3 domains. Page authority score is very low, just 15. YouTube, where there is no backlinks here. Again, we have another one for beer. Here we have 1,000 backlinks, but only from 17 domains. Page authority is 29. So Google thinks this is much relevancy than this. So to ranking, we also seeing so many 0 pages here, 3, 10, just 1. So you can see how easy it is to find this particular keyword. So depending on that, I can just keep on going into it to find more keywords, or I can sort by this section. I sorted from search volume. Now what I can do is I can absolutely try to find lower keyword difficulty keywords from here. I'll click on it again. So the short bar is on the top and the longer bar at the bottom. And you can see again this 0 competition keywords. There are so many keywords are shown here. Maybe I'll open something which is interesting to me, and let's see whether that's something interesting to me or not. So I'm getting different keyword. Maybe I can go one step above to see sort of remove that e-commerce kind of keywords. I can go into questions. When I click questions, now it will only show informational type of keyword for me. For example, how much are 12 packs of beer? It's saying 0 competition. How much does it cost to rent a beer truck? Which is also showing me 0 competition. Maybe I'll check that out. It has 70 search volume. I can also control the search volume from here. So if I'm looking for something specific or higher, I can do that as well. For example, you can see that has a cool little featured snippet also. Maybe I can steal that also. Then you can see pages, not much competition here. If I go down here, can see zero, zero backlink, zero backlink, zero, zero, all the things are zero. So this is also a really cool long tail keyword for you to check it out. Here with the question keyword itself, it found 757 keyword opportunities with total volume is around 50,000 plus keyword. Average keyword difficulty is just 9. I can do that as well, or I can take the question and keep it as all. In intent, I can make it informational. Depending on that, you can just explore it. The main filter is going to be very easy keyword difficulty here and number of word. Then you can experiment with other filters to sort to have a more manageable list of keyword for you to check it out. You can see all the different options are available here. So that is how you can easily find the keyword. Maybe I'll try one more example to show another example also. I'm going to pick something investment protection. I'll take anything for example. So maybe next word which I'm going to click, maybe I'll take that as an example. So idea. So I'm going to copy paste idea. Same principle, searching that keyword within the Google keyword magic tool. As soon as I entered it here, the cool little thing about SEMrush is if I am only changing the keyword here, rather than going back and coming into this, all the filters which I applied, it will be staying there. So it is easy for me to automatically use that same filter for this keyword. So all the keywords are present, very easy is enabled, information is enabled, number of word is enabled, and you can see it found around 12,996 keywords with a total search volume is over 900,000 and average keyword difficulty is just 8. You can see 10 days of school countdown ideas. Maybe these are search volume low. So I might do something like I want to see search volume more than let's say 199. So 200 or more, something like that. And it filtered down to 700 keywords with total volume to around 250,000 and average keyword difficulty 9. You can see 20 days of elf on the shelf ideas, balloon over the Broadway balloon ideas. So we can get so many ideas for a body paint idea for couple, DIY Pokemon party, food ideas, all these different options are available. Let me go by volume. So we can see how well it found a really good keyword with a lot of volume with a low amount of keyword difficulty. So I need to click it again. So I want to see the bigger amount of volume first. And you can see ideas for 50th birthday cake. It has 2,400 searches and it's getting only just 12 competition score. Again, wood trim accent wall idea, cake ideas for a 50th birthday, 1,600 searches, just 2 competition. Let me look into that keyword to show an example. Clicking on this, it will open up a keyword overview section. I can update the metric to make sure that it's the real-time one. So 2% shown before, maybe it might get updated to a different value now. Let me wait and see. It has 1,600 search volume just from United States, but as a global volume, it gets around 3.3k search traffic. Let me see the SERP feature. You can see there are a lot of images. Maybe you can create images and try to rank within this as well. You can see Pinterest is ranking for number 1, number 2. Then some other image results with different pages. Not so much of authority it seems. Again 3%, only 1% got increased. And if I scroll down, you can see virtually no pages is having any backlink sort of any sort. Page authority also for the top 6 are just 0, 0, 0. So all the different one, you can see how easily we can find low competition keywords within SEMrush. There is a free trial for SEMrush. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check it out and to use that to find low competition keyword in your niche as well. Thank you.